Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change your username in Vinted. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, first of all, you need to open your Vinted app, and once you have opened it, you need to get logged in into your account. So once you are logged in into your account, all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner. Once you have done this, you need to now simply tap on the profile photo, which is right above the corner on the right side. So once you have tapped it as well, you need to simply scroll down below and tap on Help Center. After doing this, in the search for help bar, you need to type in Change My Username. Once this is done as well, you can find an option called Changing Your Username. So simply tap on it, and now this will guide you through how you can change it. So for this, you need to simply scroll down below and tap on Contact Us. After you have tapped on Contact Us, you need to add an attachment, and then you need to describe your issue, like you need to change your username and stuff like that, and hit the submit button. After you are completed, you will be able to get responded by Contact Us department from your Vinted account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.